It's time to work on the foot part of the sock. We came to the end of decreases for the gusset, and now let's see how many rows it will take to get to the toe shaping on this sock size. You will want to measure this against your foot as you work, but if you want to do exactly the same project that you see here, that's a really good idea if you're doing this for the first time. Then you will want to do the same number of rows I will have. Here you can see where my last decrease was. You can see how the stitches go over each other, and we start counting from right above there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And after 33, there is toe decrease, 34 rows in all. That means this was 1, 33. So this is my one where we did that. Let's double count. I want you to be able to count. So do you see how here these two stitches go over each other? This row here is actually the decrease row, that one stitch that came out of those two. So we don't count there. This is that last row we did. This is what we just made in the previous video when we finished. So this loop here is actually this stitch here. So now we count. Purl row would be the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 is correct. It makes sense because we start counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 33 will be the purl row. So let's start. 1, row 2, Turn and do row 3. Turn and do row 4. When you finish row 33, you can go to the next video where we will shape the toe section of the sock.